Hi everyone. I'm so happy to be here today. I'm excited for what I'll be working on today, which is, as you can see here, a mix of blues with some gold and something simple, but yeah, hopefully something interesting. So my colors today I have here Artist Loft Brilliant Blue. Here I have from Amsterdam, I have a Prussian Blue Phthalo. From Deco Art, Tropical Blue. And here from Folk Art, I have Ink Spot. My Ink Spot and my Brilliant Blue are quite similar, but they dry very differently, which is why I still kept both of them. I hesitated, I contemplated, and I said, you know what, I'll go ahead with both of them. They dry very differently. I'll also be using Artist Loft Metallic Gold, as well as Artist Loft White. Everything has water, Floetrol, and I am using this type of silicone today. So that's it. I'm working on a 10 by 20 canvas, and I will be doing a dirty cup. And with some leftovers today, I think instead of using a second canvas, I will use another wooden box. I'm really enjoying these because I think that they're so practical and they're so beautiful. So I think I'm going to use the similar color scheme that I'm doing here on my box. So, and I think the same principle, I'll probably do a small dirty cup on it. So here we go. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. I sure enjoyed the process. At some point before the swiping of the painting, I almost just decided to scrape it off, so I'm happy that I continued, and I'm very pleased with the end results, both of the painting and of the box. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!